Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla, and today you are going to learn a super easy technique to creating Python game. Yes, using ChatGPT tool to how super easy this game creating guessing game. I'll show you here a step-by-step process. So shall we start now the lecture? Yes. Before going to initiating, please do subscribe our channel for such a great lectures from this tutorial. Yes. Here, my simple lecture here is a Python plus ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an open source AI tool which is very recently in the last year, November 2022 only it is launched. Its URL is chat.openapi.com. Non-profit organization and open source code which is used to build this application. And what you want to get an information right and get the answer immediately. And it is making every day it's a better and releasing a latest versions of ChatGPT AI implementations. Register now for a free account using Google or Microsoft and get a benefited and asking to access this AI tool with accurately. Yes, here today my question is I would like to ask build a guessing game in Python code. And if you know about the basics how to write a code, yes, this is a more sufficient you to understand and implement your own programming area. Now let's see. First I would like to initiating ChatGPT how to access. Go to Google, hit ChatGPT, hit enter. Now OpenAI.com. Here is the first link you need to go over here. Yes, once you reached here, all you need to do try ChatGPT. See, this is the dashboard area where we can ask a question to our ChatGPT AI tool. If you are already registered and logged in, you will get this window. Or if you are a new user too, click that try ChatGPT, this previous window, you will be seen like a login or sign up. Please do sign up today, have a free account, and let's start your journey with ChatGPT to making you master in coding. Not only coding, any of your daily day-to-day activities also you can get it from this tool. Now my question is build a guessing game in Python. Let's check it. I'm sending a WhatsApp message how to send a friend, that the same way I'm sending this message to our AI tool. This artificial intelligence and applying of a neural network will collecting a great response for us with ease of tips. See the guessing game it is preparing. Import random, start game, and initiating the things all. It's creating a module is imported here, and creating a function of start underscore game. The function is created, and while loop is initiated here, and if else conditions are going to be performing, and start game function is called. That's it. This is the function is called at the initiative of a program calling. So game functionality it's over. Now we'll take a copy of this code. We can test this code by any of our own code editor. So I have a PyCharm code community center editor where we can write a Python code accurately using the library support, and we can test our code perfectly. So create a new file. Right click on the project, new Python file, guessing game, hit enter. Now here you just take the copy of this particular code here I have collected from the ChatGPT AI tool. This artificial intelligence is creating a code for us. The same code I have taken a paste over here. Now what I am trying to do is just simply I am running the code first, where it is able to running or not. Yes. See, welcome to the number guessing game. The game number between 1 to 100. Enter your guess. It is asking. Let me ask my guessing number is 7. I'm testing. This number is higher. Means I can go with the 6. It's still higher. So let's 5 is giving. Still it is giving a higher. So it is a higher or lower also it is telling. Higher as or lower. Maybe 2. Still higher, maybe 1. I think it is a 1 only. Why? The number is higher it is saying. Then it is asking 1 to 100. Okay, it's saying that it's a number is higher. Okay, let me check with the 50. Yes, still it is a higher. So 90. Okay, 80, it's a lawyer. So 75, it's a lawyer. 70, still 68. So how many things? 65, 64, let me check. 63, still it is lawyer. 62, no, still it is lawyer. Maybe 61. Oh, 18 tries I have entered, and it is saying that congratulations of 61 is a guessing number. The same, if you want to make sure, if it is 1,000 numbers, if you want to get, yes, you can make it 0. So this, see what it is saying, welcome to the number and guessing game program, it is saying, and random, it's a random, like directly the module which is taking built-in library. So using this library, rand function is written, and it's randomly it will collect one number and it will give us to guessing a user. Now it's asking what the number user entered, and it's comparing with the if else statements to getting it's identifying. That's it. So the random game, a simple and super easily the guessing game is created with a fraction of seconds. So make sure to strong with your practicals of Python programming language basics, then you can make it master in your way. If you feel this video lecture is useful for you to using and asking your ChatGPT AI tool, like not only this question, any question you may ask and get real-time day-to-day activities even. And if you feel comfortable and it's perfect for you to understand and getting more source code with ease, please do subscribe now and comment your views if any. Thank you.